So I've had a few of these hard drives from Seon, the TH systems. That this particular one came out of a TH6 system from our 1900 series buses, which would be a 2020 model year Thomas school bus. But I've had an issue with several of these hard drives that the little plastic pull tab for the front for when you unlock the hard drive out of the DVR to pull it out has come loose. So the way to fix these is pretty simple. You just take the screws out of the sides on both sides here, and that will release the top, exposing the very generic Seagate hard drive that's installed in these. But the way you can fix it is you just take your regular Phillips head screwdriver and tighten these screws down a little bit, and that will secure the little pull tab back onto the metal here, so it's not so loose, because I did have one that actually pulled off, which got the hard drive stuck inside of the DVR. But then you just simply put the cover back on like that, put your 4 screws in, and it's ready to go.